Now I am going to a tree. This is a tree. This is a tree. The tree is very big. The tree is very big. The tree, birds and animals live in a tree. Some birds and animals come under the tree. First one comes. What is this? Birds. Birds live in a cage. Birds live in a cage. Where